We have our front door right here with this smooth wall material over here. And then we come around and we look at our bathroom. Very nice. I like the stone looking stuff back there. We have our nice sink, nice and clean. It just looks real clean actually. And we're gonna turn around, look at our toilet. I guess that's a heated rack for our towels down there. Got the hair dryer down there, some more towels. And then we have a nice shower right here with like a blue glaze, seamless into the bathroom or the shower area. Got two heads, rain shower, and one I guess that you use your hands with because I'm definitely too tall for that. We come around, look at that smooth material again. Like a felt or something, it has some texture to it. We have our closet, ironing board, iron, drawers right there. Nice little bag that I will probably be using. Storage up top. Then we come over here, we have a little coffee nook. Is that an espresso or something? Something with the pods. We have a kettle with the prices for the items in the room. And I thought there was a mini fridge down here, but it's actually up here. It's full of stuff, so if you have food, you just have to rearrange some things. But they have a good amount of stuff in there. They're stocked. Got a nice bottle of water, a glass bottle. This is our desk. Glass is kind of cool and modern. This is the room. Tall windows, two tiny beds. You could probably combine them together. Got a little side tables over there. Lots of nice light. And then on this section, we have like some concrete as the walls are concrete as well. Big window, and the texture of these walls are just, I don't know, fibrous or whatnot. Look at all that. This is cool. Kind of have a good view of downtown. Well, downtown is about this way, if you can see it. Here we are. Great big windows. And this is the room.